We're in the synagogue. If you want to imagine how the synagogue in Capernaum must have looked in the time of Jesus, imagine something like this. Not much bigger. But this is the way synagogue looks in the time of Jesus. And what do? We teach. And behind here we have another room. This is where they kept the scrolls. Now, just before the Romans came, the Jewish people that did what they did here, they burned the scrolls in order that they wouldn't fall in the hands of the Romans. Yeah.
Keď sa tu tí Židia skrývali, tak predtým, než sa teda stalo to, čo sa stalo, tak spálili všetky písma, všetky zvitky.
But on the other side,
ale na druhej strane,
they had a few more scrolls.
Tam mali ešte niekoľko zvitkov.
And there they did not burn them.
Tam ich nespálili.
Now, why did they have scrolls over there?
Prečo mali zvitky na tej druhej strane?
If you have a scroll and it's broken, it's worn out.
Ak máte takýto zvitok, ktorý sa už opotrebuje, alebo
something is written wrong,
alebo niečo je tam zle napísané,
you don't throw it away.
Tak ho nezahodíte.
What you do, you either keep it till it's totally gone, or you bury it.
A čo si spravíte to, že buď ho teda niekde uschovávate, až kým úplne sa nejak nezničí, a potom ho pochováte.
This is where they kept them.
A túto miesto by uskladňovali.
Now today, on the other side,
dnes na druhej strane,
you go just through there.
Pôjdete len cez tieto.
There is someone who writes a Torah book.
Je tam niekto, kto tam teraz píše Tóru, kto prepisuje Tóru.
All the Torah books that we see in the synagogues,
všetky knihy Tóry, ktoré dnes majú v synagógach,
they are not printed. It's a scroll.
Neboli vytlačené. Je to všetko na zvitkoch.
Written on leather.
Písané na koži.
Copied by hand.
A všetko prepisované ručne.
The fact that the Jewish nation went with the Bible in such a fear and such a precision.
Už len to, že Židia mali pre Božie slovo taký rešpekt a pristupovali k nemu s takou precíznosťou.
This is the reason that we have such an accurate Old Testament like we do today.
Je dôvodom, prečo dnes máme tak presný, verný starý zákon, ako bol kedysi.
After he writes everything,
potom ako ho vidíte, všetko prepíše,
he counts how many words he has.
Spočíta všetky slova, ktoré napísal.
And he checks every word.
Skontroluje si každé slovo.
Every letter.
Každé písmeno.
If there is a mistake,
ak je tam chyba,
you can't use it.
Tak tento zvitok použiť nemôžete.
And he needs to start all over again.
A musíte začať všetko úplne.
So it's a very serious work.
Aj pri dnešnom prepisovaní. Takže je to veľmi vážna práca.
A holy work.
Je to pre nich posvetná práca.
Now you can go in and have a look.
Môžete ísť a pozrieť sa.
Now I think it's too dark to take pictures, but
please, je tam príliš tmavo na to,
try not to disturb.
Ale prosím, snažte sa ho nevyrušiť.
And I'll be waiting.
A ja tu počkám. Takže buďte potichu, aby nemuseli začať prepisovať odznovu.
Yeah.
Want me to take the picture? Yeah, why don't you come? Why should I take the picture? This is the make it for you. I will stand behind the rabbi. Yes. Look for that. Peace in the world.
Let the friend also come to us.
From where? where I am standing, you can see that the ink stands up from the page. It's actually three-dimensional.
The what now?
Three-dimensional, you can see.
Is that right?
You can actually see that it stands up from the page. This means that it is massive.
See, come here, look at
tells
this.
us how important it is.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Now I see it. Oh, sorry.
The scroll was written on parchment. This is a work of art.
It is.
And you have to wait 5 minutes till it's dry.
Okay.
Which is a blessing for you and a blessing for the people in Pakistan as well. And God bless you with success and happiness, and may the beauty of Israel will follow you to wherever you go. And don't forget, when you get back to your country, you can have a glow in your face. Don't forget to mention it's from the Holy Land.
Or you want one to use?
That's
What
beautiful.
is the blessing you would like to have?
This is beautiful.
I have to frame it.
Well, I will give you, after it's dry, I will give you instruction about, you're holding it upside down at the moment. I'll give you instruction about how to bring it and how it's read. That's a beautiful, beautiful. Again, be careful of the ink, it's quite wet.
Success, it seems to be wonderful people, and your peace and harmony will generate to other people as well.
Thank you.
Amen, amen.
How long will it take you to finish the course?
It depends on how many nice people will pass by. And you can share with me the photo also.
It will be, what, more than a year, huh?
Bless you.
Thank you.
This is
Shana?
beautiful writing.
Shana v'chesed?
Shana, shana. Where are you from?
Slovakia.
This is the first time in Israel.
Some of them, for most of
It's
them.
very nice here.
Can you let us sneak out behind you?
Please.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rabbi.
God bless you. You keep in touch.
Okay.
Yes, we will.
And God bless you to lead
I'm a
people
little
to
wide.
good
Sorry.
God bless you to lead people to good places and bring the love of Israel to people's hearts. God bless you.
God bless you too.
Thank you, Rabbi. Thank you.
How are you enjoying Israel?
Oh, we love it.
You all understand English.
No, I can
You
translate.
can translate. And what brings you to Israel as a group?
It's for some of us the love to Israel. Some come for the first time to see.
So you said you have love for Israel. I'd like to tell you a beautiful thing of what I'm doing over here. You can translate to them.
Okay.
I'm writing the Torah.
To, čo robí, je to, že prepisuje
The
Tóru.
Torah is the first 5 books from the Bible.
Prvých 5 kníh Mojžišovi.
And in the Torah there are over 300,000 letters.
V Tóre je viac než 3000 písmen.
And if one letter is missing, you cannot use the Torah at the same time.
If
One letter is missing,
Ak čo len jedno písmenko chýba, tak sa to už nedá použiť v synagóge.
That's because every letter is presenting one person.
Pretože každé písmeno reprezentuje jednu osobu.
And therefore the Torah's message is to unite all the people together under God with peace and love.
A preto aj ako skrze Tóru ľudia boli zjednocovaní v pokoji a v láske pred Bohom.
Since you came for Israel with the love of Israel, I would like to give you a gift for that.
A keďže ste prišli s láskou voči pre Izrael, tak by som vám chcel dať taký malý darček.
Who's the leader of this group?
I
Maybe
translate
you could
one.
be. What is your name?
Vlado, V-L-A-D-O.
There is a tradition that if you would like to have a Jewish healing, you can have it written on a piece of parchment part from the Torah. I would like to give you one of those. I just would like to know what is the blessing you would like to have for yourself and for your wonderful group.
If it's still on that Aaron's blessing.
Maybe be part of that one.
Tak čas, že napíše čas Áronov na kus vlastne zvy.
Koľko trénuje to písmo?
Mám ho
Že rýchlo píše.
Píše
Tak aj čítam.
Aj kniha sa odzadu, teda pre nás odzadu.
I have to wait 5 minutes till it's dry. And since you all of you very beautiful images of God, I would be really happy to share each one of you a blessing like that, a Jewish healing like that. And since there is a pressure of a time, I'll give you my card, and if you can give it around, I will send to each one of you if anybody would like to have a specific Jewish healing. God bless you with success and happiness and all the good things.
Nech vás Boh žehná. It's amazing. How long? I know you said it depends how many nice people come by, but
about a year to write the Torah.
asi rok, kým sa prepíše to.
Well, we can tell them that when they're going to get back to their country, you're going to have a glow in your face.
Ale že keď sa vrátite, vám bude žiariť tvár.
Just don't forget to mention it's from the Holy Land.
A nezabudnite spomenúť, že je to preto, že ste boli v Izraeli.
God bless you.
Just write what she's actually the leader.
Yeah,
I translate. Did you put the name there, or could you just do one name? Toto je také požehnanie.
Yeah, tell them to come closer.
Nech sa páči,
I want to see your face.
aby ťa mohol vidieť.
What is the blessing you like to have?
Emilio.
A že ktoré požehnanie z Tórie si dal.
To Arabolo.
Also something from the